Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my channel, Sunbond Creations. So I am going to present to you some earrings that I made from leftover beads. And these are like a three-tone earring that I made with like a 9mm heavy jump ring with turquoise chips. And these are little gold seed beads, guys. And these 9 earrings, excuse me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pair of earrings are done with the same bead, but I just did like different design. These are cute little spring earrings, guys. And to create these designs, I used this flat nose plier, and I used a needle nose plier because these jump rings are they sturdy and they heavy. So I needed a strong plier to open them. And these are the seed beads. I got these seed beads out of Hobby Lobby. And they are 8 O's. That's what they call gold 8 O's, guys. So I've been gone a couple of days. I've been working behind the scenes. I've been working with the rose quartz and the strawberry quartz. So I'll be presenting that very soon. I've made some lovely pieces, guys. Okay? So, and these are the 9mm jump rings that I used. Heavy jump rings. I like the heavy jump rings because they don't open. Once you close them, that's it. And I've been working with the split rings also. Guys, I'm learning how to use the split rings. So now on these are like turquoise. Like I said, normally turquoise is like a howlet unless you get in the really, expensive turquoise. What they do is they use howlet, Howlite, and they just spray paint it. But I got these beads from my bead man. So I don't think they are the real turquoise, but they are good grade, and they're beautiful beads. And this is like 10 seed beads that I put there. And I used the 9mm jump rings. And I took this, and the way I did it was when I put it on there, when I made these, I turned my and I used memory wire. This is memory wire that I use. So what I did was I turned it inside like this. And on this side, I just went just like that. Inside. Turned it inside. I like turning mine inside. And it was a little crooked, so I just took these tools and just straightened it out and just flattened it out. Because I remember where I always goes back to the shape that it was in. And I just put this the silver fish hook on it. So, there you go. Those are beautiful, guys. And this is the only pair of these that I made so far. But I might make some more because I do have some memory wire that I want to get rid of. That memory wire that was gifted to me, guys. So I might do some more of these earrings. I think they're gorgeous. Now these are these beads I've had for a while, just laying in there. And I said, well, let me just do some earrings, okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 pair. So now on these, guys, I'm going to stop saying guys so much. I'm sorry. I use a thinner 9mm jump ring on these. And I use ruby. That's a red ruby. Even though it's not the real ruby. It's like an imitation ruby, which is beautiful. And I could have used a charm on the bottom, but I decided not to, use a charm because I thought they were like cute on their own. And on these, I used jasper, and I used a gray bead on these. It's like a brown jasper. They're kind of cute. They're cute. And these, I used the orange bead. And I used I think those are so cute. I used these on another pair of beads that I designed. My design. And it's on my website. I know I keep saying I'm going to get my website up. But I think I'm just going to do it. Like I said, I can't get my menu right. But anyway, you'll see once you get on my website. It's on Shopify. I love that. Those are so cute. And they make earrings stand out, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Guys, and like I said, once again, I really do appreciate you. And I am pleased that my channel is growing. And I'm sending out nothing but positive and growth to my channel to continue to. Now, these are blinging. These are so cute. They like blinging, bling, bling, bling. I love these. Aren't they blinging? Cute, cute, cute. Now, these type of beads, what I'm doing here, guys, could be like at wholesale. These could be done like at a wholesale venue or something. And I used the evil eye bead on these, you know, to bring some interest to it. You know what? And I might go and drop another colored evil eye bead on the end of these. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. We'll practice that. I said I was going to stop saying guys. I hope I'm not saying it too much. Now, these are another bling, and I use like the hematite chevron on these. Aren't they cute? And I also use like the 9mm jump ring again. Not the heavy one, but a thinner grade. And now on these, I used chevron hematite again. And I put a little bling on there. And I used the Hansa hand on those. Which I thought they turned out pretty good. But guys, we're 7 minutes in this. So I'm going to practice not saying guys so much, okay? But just take it for love. Everything I do, guys, just take it. Listen at me. Delete. Okay. Everything I do consists of love for humanity, okay? So I'm sure once I do get my website up that, you know, you guys going to click on and see something that you like. Because these pieces, I try to, you know, I do quality. I try to buy quality material, and I try to make pieces that I think, you know, people would appreciate. And, you know, when they get to the website, they're like, I want my website to be like outstanding. Like, oh, wow, these are beautiful, guys. That's what, you know, that's my dream. So I'm putting that intention out into the sense space that we on, okay? What they say in the universe. But anyway, and like I said, guys, these are so cute. I'm definitely going to have to make some more of those. But anyway, thank you for coming to my channel. Oh, and I got 2 Temu hauls coming up, right? One haul that I'm going to do, I might do it tonight and post it on here. But the other one, guys, I had problems with it.